Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to a brand new video. This is one I have not done in a long time. I have some Dollar Tree Christmas stocking stuffer ideas for you. Things for both kids and adults. I think a lot of these would also be really good if you're doing like gift basket ideas. The first one I have are these little mini Lindor milk truffle bags, and you get 2 truffles in a bag. I'm actually setting some of these outside on our little mailman delivery station for our delivery people. If you wanted to, you could even open these, take the truffles out, add them if you're doing like cookie platters, add some truffles on there. Dollar Tree has some really cute glassware and simple different coffee mugs, drinking glasses, and also these like little elevated mug style. I was planning on painting on these, but I think if you wanted to hand paint some glassware, it would make a really cute gift idea, maybe a stocking stuffer. Maybe you can even add something inside it and make it a gift just like that. Here's a fun one. I think they're new this year. I can't say I've ever seen them before in Dollar Tree, but they had a little strawberry vanilla jam, a forest fruit jam, and a sweet hot mustard. I think they had one other thing that I didn't grab, but I was thinking that these would be perfect for someone like my dad. He loves to do like some jelly on a bagel or toast in the morning or jam, and I thought these would be really nice. The ingredients were pretty simple in here as well: sugar, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. These are pretty simple and cute. I thought they'd make a really adorable stocking stuffer or something to even add if you're doing like a little DIY gift basket for someone. Dollar Tree also has little mini packs of pistachios. I thought this would be a great stocking stuffer. And they had some different flavors. I think they had like a black pepper one and something more spicy, I believe. And then they have the same thing with the little Jack Link's beef jerky. These would be a cute stocking stuffer idea. They had them also in, I think, a teriyaki and one other flavor. Now I can't remember what it was. If I find it, I'll put it on the screen. I just got the regular original ones, but these would be cute as well. For the kids, I feel like they're always into the little squishy toys, and Dollar Tree does have some packs that have like 1 or 2, like a couple small ones, but this one's a little bit larger of a little squishy pal. You can like stretch them, squeeze them. They have like a little gummy bear sort of texture. And then there were some little wooden crafts. I picked up this helicopter one. They had a couple other options as well. This is ages 5 and up, and you can build a little wooden helicopter. I thought this would be just a really cute, simple stocking stuffer for my nephew. Yeah, it's got all the little parts in here, and he's so good at like building stuff. I think this is a great one for him. Another fun idea for the kids are these fake nails, the little press-on nails. They had some really cute patterns. For that matter, they have cute patterns for adult size press-on nails as well. Let me know if you've tried the Dollar Tree nail glue. I wasn't sure about that one. And for they think they had press-on stickies too. I didn't pick up any of those because we got a larger pack of them on Amazon. My daughter's really into the press-on nails, so I think she might like these. And they had some really cute just patterns and designs here. So these will be great little stocking stuffer idea as well. The BioPure antibacterial hand wipes. These are pocket size little 16 individually wrapped single wipes. This would be great to keep in your car, maybe in like a little travel bag, travel purse. If you're going to be traveling at all over the holidays, this could also be a great stocking stuffer. I think these are also great for putting into like your kids' lunch boxes. This 3-pack of assorted flavor Pop Rock candy is another great stocking stuffer idea. And I believe that you can open this and then take out the 3 separate packs if you did want to split them up. Dollar Tree has these Ferrero Rocher candies as well. You get 3 of them for the $1.25, and I think it's a great stocking stuffer size pack, something you could add to a gift basket. And I also plan to put some of these out with, again, our little basket for our delivery people. If you want a really simple, like very practical stocking stuffer idea, Dollar Tree does have these little mini on-the-go Kleenex packs. They also have this style with 8 of them for $1.25. These are just a nice, like very neutral style one. The sun is working its way over here, but Russell Stover little boxes. It says there are 3 pieces in the box. It's a pretty large box for just 3 chocolates, I suppose. But it has a milk chocolate truffle, dark chocolate caramel, and a milk chocolate Pecan Delight. And right in line with the other antibacterial hand wipes, we have this one, also by the BioPure brand, with aloe and vitamin E. You get a larger pack of 40 wipes. These are just great to have in the car. And then I picked up this for $1.25. It's like a foldable toothbrush and toothpaste. So this is great for traveling. Yeah, I just thought this would be good for anybody who's traveling and wants to just have like a little on-the-go toothbrush. I mean, I tend to pick up like a regular toothbrush anyway, you know, something kind of fun or useful or practical, and stick a toothbrush in the stocking. Why not? We're adding all the candy anyway. If you're into mint chocolate, Dollar Tree has the larger bags of all the little mints like this, of the Andes mints. And then they also had the Andes Snap bar. Let me know in the comments, do you like mint at Christmas? I know some people are just not into the whole chocolate peppermint thing, and other people love the chocolate mint candies and the peppermint mocha coffees and lattes. Are you a mint person? Let me know down below. I love peppermint mocha, mints, all of it. This little bag of dark chocolate espresso beans. I think this is the first time I've ever seen these in Dollar Tree. Definitely thinking of my sister here. She loves espresso beans, the chocolate covered espresso beans. Now, Dollar Tree always has the regular Turtles candies, but here they have the dark chocolate one. I don't know if I've seen this one before. I'm trying to think. They usually have the red wrapper one with the milk chocolate, but my mom likes Turtles and I know she likes dark chocolate, so I thought this would be great for a stocking stuffer for her. Dollar Tree also has some of these little high chew candies, and they're just a nice watermelon flavor. I don't know if they had other flavors, but what I liked about this is that if you're looking for some candy that is like a fruity candy that doesn't have all of the red dye food coloring, I don't think this one does. It says it has vegetable juice concentrate for color. So just wanted to mention this. And then this could be useful, you know? Everything doesn't have to be like candy, right? Cleaning your shoes, a shoe eraser, you just add water and it'll clean off like the white on your sneakers. Dollar Tree has an assortment of hairbands, hair clips, elastics. Here is a really fun little like bubble hair clip. It's plastic, but it has like a velvet finish on it. I think it would kind of grab and hold in your hair pretty well. And I thought my daughter would love this one. Dollar Tree also had some fun little TY plushies that have this little clip on it. I know the kids sometimes love clipping these on their backpacks, but they had a few different varieties. And then this is kind of a little bit outside the box. Or inside the box, the idea to take one of these and then fill it with some goodies, whether it was like some hair accessories, maybe some different types of candies that the person likes, whatever you can think of to fill inside here. And then they get a usable box at the end. But I think this could be kind of fun to fill your little goodies in here and wrap this for a stocking as well. I think that concludes the stocking stuffers that I have to share with you. But I did want to mention this. I thought this was really nice. Oh, the sun is really coming in now. This paint by number canvas kit, Flamingo Paradise. I really liked this one. So this is $5. It was in the more like the, what is it, the dollar plus section, but it's just a little paint by number. It comes with the paints on the framed canvas and the two different brushes. I think this is a nice little gift for $5, and they did have an assortment of styles. This one can also be a fun little Christmas snack idea. You take a Rolo, these are also from Dollar Tree, melt it on there in the oven, and then press a little M&M in the middle. So cute. Dollar Tree has a great selection of gift bags. 2 of these for $1.25. They had a couple of different styles. 2 of these for $1.25 on the smaller size. And then some of the larger ones like this, 1 bag, but still for $1.25, I felt like it was very reasonable. They had some like this one that I picked up. I thought this was so pretty, and you could just literally use this any time of the year. I thought these were beautiful Christmas bags. Loved this, but they also have simple like silver, gold, green, blue. If you want to be able to use it for other occasions through the year, you don't want you know, they're beautiful for Christmas, but they're also more versatile. And then if you're going to be mailing gifts, I sometimes have a hard time finding these. I think I picked these up a little while ago, so I didn't see them the last time I was in Dollar Tree. I guess let me know if you're still finding them. But I know Dollar Tree has the regular like tan mailing envelopes, but these are really pretty and fun if you're mailing out Christmas gifts or anything like that, even birthday gifts, but definitely fun to pick up at Christmas time, so keep your eye out if you see these. So I think that pretty much covers my Dollar Tree Christmas stocking stuffer gift guide here. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for items that you may have seen in a Dollar Tree near you that you thought would be a great stocking stuffer idea. I would love to know, and I'm sure everyone else watching would love to know as well. So definitely share any other recommendations that you have. Also, if you are looking for some other DIY Christmas gift ideas, I am going to put a video up on the screen here so you can check that out. Also, if you missed some of our Christmas decorating, I will leave that video over here for you as well. But thank you so much for being here. I am wishing you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you all soon in a new video. Bye.